My name Buck up in a man.
Yeah.
You want back Paul Bogle, sir.
Yeah, so what's special about that?
Original.
What's special about Paul Bogle? What's special about the statue?
I'm fight through him, make we know the right.
Okay.
Yeah, for a long time.
So,
and every hero put up all about. So why him have to take down?
So, as me that talk to the councillor, him did say them did have some controversy in maybe the picture of him or something.
Yeah.
So I don't know, maybe that's why they take it down and put up the shrine.
Yeah.
And thing. But you know no problem with the photograph of him. Or the picture, the monument of the statue where them make.
Yeah. We want the statue back, man.
Yeah.
Same way with the machine.
Same way with the machine.
Yeah, stand up, same way.
Show me the pose, show me the Paul Bogle pose.
Yeah.
Same way, sir.
Yeah, with the machine.
With the machine and thing.
Sword, same speed.
Yeah.
The Paul Bogle tribe too.
Alright, now
black man stand.
Buck up in a.
Buck up in a the girl them.
Alright. Yeah. So they know buck up in a people.
Yeah,
you know,
man,
him sell the juice
them.
Him sell the juice when he buck up in a.
Yeah, man.
And him say one about the statue.
Yeah.
Will Paul Bogle. Alright, bless up yourself.
Machine and in tamper boot.
Alright.
Set speed.
Right back on the monument.
Step in a mac and broke all buckle.
Alright.
Yeah, respect. And
yeah, Morant beer behind the courthouse. Yeah, big super. First time I go visit at the back of the courthouse. Yeah. See some of viewers and stuff. Yeah, councillor clean up the grounds. Yeah, you know my man I love when the place look nice and decent. So him always do the cleaning up. So him there clean up the ground. And we look upon them cannon. Yeah. Them old time, old ancient days cannon from back in the days where the old slave masters them used to use. So big super. I take a walk on the grounds at the back of the courthouse in a Morant Bay. Yeah, my viewers and sub. I don't even know that them have a nice little area around here. Yeah. Oh, this don't look bad at all. What is what kind of monument is? Yeah. In Paul Bogle. So they make a little, what I call it, a little shrine in remembrance of Paul Bogle. My viewers and so. See it there. And next one, yeah. Yeah, over there, behind the courthouse. Yeah, and we just a look. Yeah, Paul Bogle place. And it's a very nice little place there, located in the town of Morant Bay. And Big Super is on the ground here. Taking a look at this nice little location here. Yeah, and we see the councillor. We see the councillor clean up the place. Yeah. We see the councillor clean up the place. And we like that. We walk up at the step. And we look on the old courthouse. And we take a look on the cannon. See the back in the days where the ancestors them used to use, yeah. That was the cannon. So we're up on the grounds, my viewers and sub, and cleaning up a go on. And I like where I go on. I don't know. Them say them are going to utilize it and turn it in a car park. Can't believe that because it's there, you know, whole land it's sit down pan. I mean, I'm going to say it's sit down high, but it's sit down on the ground, yeah, and things, the old building, yeah. I wonder if them could have restore that building, yeah. Full up the comment section and tell me what you think. If you feel for the government, either could have lit down that building or make it over back. What do you think? Yeah, and it's a heritage site. Yeah, man. We are talking with the council people and we see him do some work on the grounds at the old courthouse.
Yeah, what we're actually doing right now, yes, we start a clamping thing in Morant, you know.
Yeah.
Illegally parked vehicles and so. We start to clamp them. Now it is being said that we don't have enough parking space for your clamp vehicle and everything like that. So this is actually the old courthouse.
Yeah.
Where the rebellion started, the Bogle rebellion. This is a courthouse. It was burnt down. I don't quite remember what year it happened, but it was burnt down. It's been an abandoned building, and I'm sure Heritage said that they're going to repair it one of these days. I mean, I've been here for the longest while.
Yeah.
But for now, though, we're using it up as a parking lot.
Yeah.
So when you're cleaning up as a, you know, I'm sure you go around and see the space and everything like that. So that's what we're actually doing right now. A good friend over there, 110. Well, you know, once I call upon him, you know,
Yeah.
anything at all.
110.
You know,
Big up yourself.
always willing and able and ready
Yeah.
to go. And, you know, so we not left him out and nothing on anything I say. But yeah, it's basically that. I think, if I'm not sure, I think it's going to be like $100 a hour
Yeah, for park.
for parking.
Yeah.
And I think they're going to have all day fee also. If it's like 300, I think it's going to be 350
Yeah.
for park for all day and everything like that. So we are create some things. I mean, the Anglican Church Hall is next door to this, and they have a parking space also.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm just saying we're just trying to make the town a better place.
Yeah, that
you know,
is
I
true.
said keep it clean and doing all of these things. So my thing right now is just to be around here, cleaning up, just to make sure things go right. We got right here one out from municipal police,
Yeah.
and she's, you know, she works here,
Yeah.
and she works with the parish council.
Yeah.
So, and there are quite a few of them.
Yeah.
Some had left, some of them gone back on the road, some of them come back around here and everything like that, just to make sure everything's right and everything. So
Yeah.
that's exactly what we're doing. So right here would be the entrance.
So
to the
right here would
parking
be the
lot.
entrance to the parking lot.
And then
with
the exit would be around on the other side.
Oh, on the other
So,
side.
Yeah, around the other side of the building. So
Okay.
entrance and
So this
exit.
road, what the name of this road?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you say?
Yeah, this is the entrance to the parking lot, which is now this is South Street.
South Street.
The entrance to the parking lot here
Yeah.
behind the old court, on the compound of the old courthouse.
Yeah.
And you also have the exit
Yeah.
on the other side, which is bring it right back out to South Street.
Right out back. So it's like a horseshoe. You come in. And
It's coming like a horseshoe kind of thing.
yeah. And you come out back.
Yes, so.
Yeah, man.
So
So by when this parking lot will be up and fully running?
When we're working at it, like,
Yeah.
speedily.
You know, really take not much.
Not much, because
Yeah, just to
it
clean
won't
it
be a
up.
paved off asphalt, not like it. It's
Yeah.
like,
You
we're
just,
going to make the best of it, clean
Yeah,
up,
yeah.
and if we're going to put some wall or some gravel on to make it,
yeah. Are you just,
suitable or something,
are you
no?
just cut the lawn?
yeah, man, we cut the lawn, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, because just the other day we start trimming up the lawn and you know,
Yeah.
cutting down some trees and everything like that.
So you have any plan for the old courthouse building?
Well, I tell you something, you know.
Yeah.
There's a major plan for the old courthouse here.
Yeah.
There's a gentleman by the name of Ainsley Ricketts.
Yeah.
He was the president, I think, for the Heritage Foundation, you know. And he started to do some work around here a few years back. And I don't know what happened. I mean, some people might say politics. I'm not sure if I want to even go that route. But
Yeah.
he wasn't the president anymore and everything come to a standstill.
Yeah.
But I actually saw a drawing
Yeah.
of the new courthouse,
Yeah.
what it would look like.
Okay.
I've seen one with a clock. Originally, and this is something that a lot of people didn't know, including myself, until I spoke to an elder. And I was saying, boy, Morant Bay, that really do good on clock.
Yeah, that is true, you know.
And she said, Morant Bay had a clock, you know.
Yeah.
And it was a 51 storm that had destroyed the clock. And the clock was on top of this courthouse also.
Okay, I've never knew that.
So they designed it back to put back a clock there and everything like that. Yeah.
Okay.
And a matter of fact, I saw a pic with it.
Yeah.
I saw a pic with it years ago. It was a lady by the name of Miss Fid who told me about it.
Would you guys re-erect back the statue?
Well, that's a good question, you know. Because at one time I read that the statue was ready to come.
Yeah.
And some of us had a problem. Some say it the statue that was there wasn't the real true look of Paul Bogle.
Yeah, but everybody could relate to it.
Everybody could relate to it. When we grew up with it,
Yeah.
well, I mean, man get old and wise and start to look back on something and I say,
Yeah.
but this man look totally different from what we see on the $2 bill with Paul Bogle.
Yeah.
You go some places, some things just start to look different.
Yeah, me understand.
And something like that. But for me,
Yeah.
you know, put it this way, I try to understand everyone.
Yeah.
The person who say, I know hit that,
Yeah.
and the person say, well, make it stay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you understand? So
Yeah.
I don't think I want to be a part of that decision making.
Right.
Just to make it come or not make it come.
Yeah.
But the truth is,
Yeah.
me grew up consider the Jamaica $2 bill.
Right.
With a Paul Bogle in his suit.
Yeah.
Because he was a Baptist minister.
Yeah.
You understand? So I mean, I like to see him that way there in the statue instead of that way there with that sword up and maybe I don't know. And Paul Bogle never surrender, you know.
Right.
He was captured and with a man up in the year, so
Yeah.
I mean like a cross I mean. Yeah. Stay like this with his sword. Come here, because the man will surrender. And we never see him as a warrior still. But the truth is, it's neither here and there for me right now.
Yeah, me understand.
But I like to see something really come back still.
Yeah. So in over due time, the place will take time and does.
Well, I tell you, the story that I'm telling you about this building here, you know,
Yeah.
is over, see if I can say over 10 years.
Yeah.
I know of the renovation or what's supposed to restoration, everything at the old courthouse.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it was being discussed maybe long before me might tell about the 10 years of me know of.
Yeah.
You know what I say? So to my understanding, it's going to become like a heritage site.
A heritage site.
Yeah.
So
A
you
tourist
like
attraction,
like a
things that the
museum.
tourists can, like a museum also.
Okay,
They want to have a museum in it also.
Yeah.
And things have to start like that, you know. So I just see the structure, because it was gutted with fire, you know. So I mean, I think the structure is kind of.
But it still looks strong. I see we are like, I remember the long time would they make it.
Yes,
you know,
man. Yeah, man. They're still there, man. And some of them still there, and so still. But you know, I get some technical people and come and do their research or do them work at it. They will know if it's fit enough to renovate it. Them have to tear it down and make it over.
Okay.
I mean, honestly, I would like to see the same original structure being renovated, you know, and resurrected from whatever condition it's really in right now and so still. But it's just like that, you know.
Right.
Just.
So we're glad for the reasoning.
Yes,
and
man.
the viewers, as I say, we're speaking with the deputy mayor.
Yeah, yes.
And what's your name again, please?
Well, Deputy Mayor Rohan, Bryan,
Yeah.
but just call me Washi.
Watch it, yeah.
Yeah,
That me
Washi. I
used
grew
to.
up with that time, I not look at that.
Me not remember the Rohan, Bryan. God
Yeah,
no.
just a Washi.
Washi.
Me grew and I tell you something really quick about the Washi something.
Yeah.
My mother told me, you know.
Yeah.
Mom told me that I actually had the name Washi before I even had the name Rohan Bryan.
Whoa.
Because
So you get a nickname before your right name.
Yeah. She said there was a story on the radio, some Dulcimina story that was on the radio. And what really happened, the day she was giving birth, at the time she was giving birth, in the story, there was a lady giving birth also.
Yeah.
And somebody, when they baby born, them say, do you have got now when I washing?
Yeah, okay.
And the name is Johnson was there. I said, we have an next washing here too.
Okay.
But at the time though,
Yeah.
the difference between the washing, I wasn't wishy-washy because I was about 11 pounds.
Yeah.
So the baby was a little wishy-washy baby. But anyway, me get the name washing
get the name Washi.
before they actually give me the, you know, when on the birth certificate.
But you know,
Rohan
me
Bryan.
thought the
I was born
Washi-
from I wasn't born in a hospital now. You know, back then I was born at a house.
Oh, yeah.
So it was after that they go to the
Because
birth certificate.
I thought the washer was like a wash belly.
A lot of people, that's how we clarify that. A lot of people think it was like a wash belly.
Yeah,
and it wasn't wishy-washy either.
All right.
Kind of weird, but
yeah.
it was a great feeling. About it, you know?
What the name work out?
It work out, man.
Yeah,
I love it, man.
Are you not upset with it?
No, man, I love it, man. I mean, sorry, my name wasn't Washi Bryan. You know what I say? I even run Washi Bryan, but Washi Fina it.
Yeah.
You know what I say? I just love it, man. It's just cool to me, and you know, me like when the kids then call me Mr. Washi.
Yeah.
You know, kind of way, it's just pretty cool and everything.
Yeah.
So, I like that, man. You know.
Yeah,
But
man.
as I said, though, Morant is our little town.
Yeah.
And we have a mayor who is a stamp in stamp, you know.
Yeah, man.
To make it
Very active, fully
and the
active.
thing about it, you see.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, he's an action man, man.
Yeah.
Right, that's the
He's
word I
fully
want to use,
active,
man.
trust
Yeah, he
me,
might work
fully
on
active.
internet. He's a man with vision still, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? So many can work with because I'm like that also, you know. So many were pretty close. But you see, changes
Yeah.
is what a lot of us don't really like or can understand.
Yeah.
But changes must come in about.
Yeah.
You understand? I can tell you this. I remember as a kid growing, the first thing I ever hear playing in a vehicle was that thing they call 8-track.
8-track.
And there was only 8 music you could play on big fat something.
Yeah, I remember
then
that.
cassette come about. You understand?
Yeah.
And after that now, the cassette used to have 60 minutes, 90 minutes and 120. You understand that kind of stuff used to go on?
Yeah.
And then after that, CD come.
Yeah.
And I used to say to myself, CD, then oh, them got this because CD I took over from a record when they used to scratch and I said, oh, them got it with CD.
Yeah.
But man know if you do it.
Yeah.
And it happened and then kind of no, I'm going to show technology change now because when the man come with them, then thumb drive and then whatever.
Yeah.
I'm like, what this?
Yeah.
Oh, we are going to play then something and whatever, you know?
Yeah.
And right now, look at this. 8-track, we used to play 8 songs. Now a thumb driver can't play all daily 1 million songs.
So basically, the public have to learn to adapt.
That's the point I'm getting at. So we have to understand how changes come about.
Yeah.
Because the man who they have in cassette player, he realize now, say, time up. So they start to make a cassette player with a CD player.
Yeah.
All in one.
Yeah.
And then after that cassette player stop.
Yeah.
And a CD. And now you find now, say, left from there, so where it start going to MP3 or then thumb drive and then whole
hard drive and all of them
something gone and then so that's what changes. And like I said to somebody the other day, you know, I remember as a kid growing up, I used to live near the beach.
Yeah.
And we used to just run through like a truck and go to the beach.
Right.
But there was 2 houses, one on the left, one on the right, so we go through the middle.
Yeah.
And then one day we still start to build a house in the truck where we used to run, you know?
Yeah.
And we're like, God, then what is no man? And then now we start to walk at the side of the house.
Yeah.
But then now when they go make the fence, the wall, Jesus mercy, boy, we don't want to be. We have to walk way around.
Yeah.
So the changes, I'm like, oh, we got to deal with this.
Yeah.
But guess what now, man?
Yeah.
After we start go around and walk around every little thing, then it becomes a norm.
Yeah.
And we accept things and then kind of way.
I move on.
All that I'm saying.
Yeah.
Make we just make food something work.
Yeah.
Make we clean up the town, make it just look decent and proper.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Some people are upset because they need to be on the street and them juggle on the street and like they may come and say, look man, I'm going to the market man, space in them and I'm going to create some more space and everything. And I feel it to them because I remember my dad used to be on the street just the same way. And when the police have come, not the minister of police at the time, because I don't ever have them. When the police have come, I take up things and move same way. Never cousin and Clive can tell the story, he used to be on the street just the same way. And there's other people can tell us, so is that a put there something, you know?
Yeah.
A long time to go on. So it's just for us to understand it and just make necessary adjustment and
we just have to adjust our lifestyle
to
different changes.
Man. You know, because the people inside the market would tell us it has always been unfair to them being inside of the market while people on the outside selling the same thing. And I'm guilty of it too because if I pass and me want a pound of tomato, I don't really go inside of the market. I see it right to the front there. So. But if when everybody is inside the market, then I have no choice more than to go inside as I see me. So it's just one of them things that stay. So
people have learned to work with the changes.
Man. That's all there is.
All right, Mr. Watchy.
Take care, man.
Take up yourself.
Yeah, we there to support.
And keep up the good work.
Trying to.
All right.